We'll look at the best propeller protectors for the DJI Neo in this video, which will improve flying while protecting your drone.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Generic Propeller Guard. Purchasing generic propeller guards for your DJI Neo is an attractive way to combine affordability and functionality. The propellers of your drone can be robustly protected by these third-party accessories, preventing costly damage from small bumps or collisions. Several vibrant protective coverings give your Neo a unique look. Completely encircling isolation paddles enhance flight safety by efficiently reducing impact force and providing complete paddle protection. En route safety, efficient seclusion. The propeller can be largely shielded to avoid scratching persons or things. It has a slim profile and weighs only 6 grams. The protective cover's lightweight construction eases the load on the fuselage. Another crucial element is simplicity of installation. The majority of generic propeller guards are made to be easily installed and removed, frequently without the need for additional equipment. They often include mounting hardware and detailed instructions, so even inexperienced users can complete the operation easily. Because of this simplicity, you may easily adjust the guards to suit various flying circumstances by equipping or removing them as needed. On number 2, we have DJI Official Propeller Guard. The official DJI Propeller Guards are a great option if you want to make sure your DJI Neo is as reliable and compatible as possible. DJI has carefully crafted and produced these guards to perfectly mesh with your drone, providing the best possible protection and functionality. Propeller guards offer complete safety during flight by securing the propellers and preventing them from coming into touch with outside objects. Another noteworthy aspect of the official DJI Propeller Guards is their design. The guards are specifically designed to meet the size and aerodynamics of the DJI Neo, guaranteeing a snug fit that doesn't hinder the drone's ability to fly. With some third-party alternatives, there may be concerns about negative effects on flight dynamics, such as decreased battery life or worse maneuverability. These issues are minimized by the exact engineering. So these are some of the best propeller guards to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.